Alright, just going to walk you through making a coffee on the Sunbeam EM7000. Power on. Just let everything heat up. It should take about 2 minutes, and the way you know it's heated up is this blinking stops and then all these controls light up. Okay, so while it's heating up, we should do the grind. And bit dark here, you won't be able to see much, but pretty much dose it into the portafilter. It's going to be a bit difficult for me right now with one hand. Let's see if I can do this. A little bit more here. Just level everything out. Temp. Proving a little bit more difficult with one hand. Should have thought this through a bit more. But, okay, that's pretty much it. Okay. And you can see now it's fully lit up. That means it's pretty much ready. So, just going to put this here for now. And what you'd want to do is just heat it up. Now, just going through the control panels again. Manual activates the hot water. And as you heard, what it does is it does a quick pre-infusion. So I'll do that again, and in every button it does a pre-infusion. So what that pre-infusion does is it lets in a small amount of water just to wet the puck and let it steep a little bit, and then it starts the constant flow of water. So I'll just press a single cup just to show you. And there, that was pre-infusion, and then there's the constant flow. And what you'll know is it'll run through 30 mils. At any time you can actually stop it by pressing it again. So that was 30 mils. So that's just to heat up the cup. You don't need to put that much water in. That's just to show you what I was doing. Lock it in. Alright, let's push it right to until it's about 90 degrees straight. So press the button there, and you should see those pre-infusion. Very slow running, thick. At the same time, purge the thing by doing that. Okay? And this is going to be difficult. I'm going to have to. So, you can see the water stopped. Now, what you want to do is basically just put the tip of the water, tip of the wand just at the surface of the milk, and this should be cold milk. And again, and just fill it sort of short of the end of that spout level. This is a 300 ml jug. So what I'm going to do is, it's going to be a bit difficult, but here we go. Let's try to do this button without spilling anything. One-handed. That should be more than enough. And then let it sit and heat up the water. And you can see that as that gets to the yellow orange band, you stop the heating of the milk. This is not very good, alright? That's it, alright, done. quick wipe. Always wipe this down. Purge again. Wipe again. And that's it. There's your milk. You can see it's glossy, and that was with one hand, and it wasn't very good, well done, but I still managed to do this. Let's see if I can get some latte out here. Okay, again with one hand. Let's see what we can do here. Again one-handed, and there you go. Not too bad. Of course you could do it much better with two hands. So anyway, that was it. So that's as simple as that. Now with this, what I do is take that out. Bear in mind it will still drip because there's a little bit of water still caught in the portafilter, I've noticed. That's generally how it is, and you just knock it out into the knock box. Okay, press the manual button, clean your portafilter. No more grind in there, good. Stop that. What you'd want to do is get your brush, again manual, brush that out, get all the all around the collar there, and stop that. Now that's okay, but what I generally also do is do a quick back flush. Again one-handed. I need challenges in my life, don't I? With one hand, well, look, I'll just cheat here, use my camera hand here, press that. And what you do is just do a quick jiggle. Okay? And you'd notice probably a few bits of grind caught. And terrible video, sorry about this. Lock it in with the blind filter and press it again. Now you'll notice that should go up a little bit. Didn't really, but let's try it again. Anyway, so all that does is supposed to back flush it, but it works better with a double blind, because of course the single blind has that gradient there which doesn't seal properly. But yeah, all you're doing is back flushing, cleaning out all the oil out a little bit as well. So that's it. Okay, that's it. There's your coffee. Nice and creamy, very easy. As you could see, with one hand it was a bit of a handful, but that's it. Thank you.